now we can do the actual fun part, which is the carpet. Alright, so we're gonna start on the front seats, and there are there's a nut back there, and then a bolt, and then 2 bolts, and then this driver's seat will come off. This is just like the 3rd gens where there's a little bracket. That's this center console bolts too. That is like 1 on each side of each seat. And technically, yes, you can pull these seats all out in one go. I can't lift these by myself, so I'm gonna do one at a time. Alright, so we're gonna get this driver's seat out. It is probably not any of the fucking sockets I brought over here. It's 15, but I didn't bring a deep well 15. All I have is shallow, so I'm not gonna be able to get the nut off, but should be able to. That one's not a fucking 15. Yeah, it was a good thing I brought all these extra fucking sockets. This is 17. Which is now stuck in my socket. That's cool. Have I mentioned that is my least fucking favorite thing ever? Like, my biggest pet peeve ever is when fucking sockets get stuck on the fucking bolt and won't come out. That's my biggest fucking biggest thing off. We're back here. We're gonna take off this center console. Honestly, I should probably get center console first, but I should just be able to this nifty little hole for the seat. Someone really did not want that one to come out. They blew Loctited the fuck out of it. I don't have the patience for that. I found my 10mm ratcheting wrench. Fuck yeah. So the seat belts can just kind of pull through the center console, so you don't have to unbolt it. It's like little slits in it. Penetrating well. Man, it's fucking slippery. So the next thing we're going to work on is I have to take this out, and I believe I have to remove the entire back seat as well, because carpet goes underneath all that stuff too. It's not as straightforward as the third gens are. That's okay. So nasty. I don't actually know how this comes off. Looks like that. Might not actually have to take that all the way off. Just unbolt it so I can get this thing out. That one's completely undamaged. That's perfect. This serious? Aha! Okay, there we go. Know what I'm gonna do with it now. This should be a lot easier than my fucking third gen carpet, because on my third gen, I ripped the carpet out, like, for paint and stuff, and like, I don't even know why, actually, I ripped it out, but I did. And I ripped my carpet out, like, 4.5 years before I fucking put it back in, or put new shit back in, and I threw the carpet away like an idiot and didn't keep it, so I had to fucking guesstimate where all the fucking holes went. That was a giant pain in the ass. On this one, because the carpet's here, I can lay this carpet out on the ground and then lay the other carpet over this and use it as a template. I don't even know what that's for. Socket! This is definitely mine too, because it's a 7/16 snap-on deep well impact socket. Last piece of the interior that we have to take apart is the center console, this thing, and then this carpet will come out. like I definitely had a mouse problem at some point, because there's just like little mouse shavings fucking everywhere. Nasty ass shit. But I should be able to start pulling this carpet out now once I get everything off the fucking floor. Alright, so I got everything out of here, so I'm just going to try to pull the carpet out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the carpet flat out on the flatbed, and then I'm going to lay the new carpet over that, and then try to figure out, or this over the new carpet somehow without getting the new carpet nasty, and figure out how to get these holes in there. Hopefully the new carpet has enough cutouts in it or indentations that I can figure out. I can just mark my own holes without having to lay it on this thing, but alright, there we go. I'm gonna have to get like a shop vac or something and clean this out really good. Some of this is like the carpet just like stuck to shit it shouldn't have stuck to. Most of this actually doesn't look too bad for this being a 2002. So I think that's probably where we're going to end this video. The next one, obviously, will be putting it back together. And we're going to start with, you guys don't need to watch me sit here and clean this fucking cab. So I'm going to clean out this nasty ass shit. And then we'll start the next video with getting the holes marked for the new carpet and getting the new carpet put in here. And then, yeah, we'll go from there.